Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your device. Make sure Android is updated and you have a stable connection so performance won't spike. Once done, enable the System Magnification Accessibility feature so you have a safe, system-level zoom option. Next, open Chrome and request the desktop site before loading Agar. The desktop web client, gives more control. These steps set your environment so later zoom methods behave predictably and with minimal input lag. Now you enable and practice zoom controls. Use the accessibility magnification gesture, triple tap then drag, to zoom and pan while playing. It's low overhead and works across apps. If you prefer more granular control, pair a Bluetooth mouse. In Chrome desktop mode, the scroll wheel emulates zoom and is smoother. If neither option fits, install a trusted screen magnifier app and grant minimal permissions. Make sure to test responsiveness against movement so your gameplay remains accurate. Finish by calibrating and optimizing for play. Set a comfortable magnification, tweak touch sensitivity, and run a short practice match to confirm controls. Make sure to lower browser or in-game graphics if zooming causes stutter. That reduces CPU and network strain. If something goes wrong, first clear your browser cache and restart the phone, then regrant accessibility or magnifier permissions. That fixes most issues quickly. With these last checks, you'll have reliable zoom control for Agar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.